It's crazy out here. I don't know if you can see how fat those flakes are. They're about the size of my hand. And that is Lagodi Bob, Big Bob Melton, Melton's Tree Service. We will fuck your yard up and charge you out the ass and leave you a mess. Driveway's cleared for $2.99. It's $299, not $2.99, not $2.99. I get mine. Turn your lights on, bro. My last video diary if I slide off the road, get hypothermia and die. Today is Tuesday, February the 4th, 2014. Last week they said it was supposed to snow kind of bad, but we were like 20 inches and we're like, what the fuck ever, you know. And then I went to work today at Hefling Truck and Tractor in Washington, Indiana, and about 3:30, 4 o'clock, it started doing this. And I would guesstimate we probably have a good solid inch on the ground, and it's 5:45, so there might be more than an inch, I don't know. I ain't been out of the car. I've been in the car since 4:30. Left work a little early, trying to make it home at a decent hour and in one piece. So far I've been successful. I'm on the cusp of Jasper's gusset. Denny's 1.5 miles. People have been driving pretty alright. So far so good. Only one idiot in the ditch. A lot of trucks out and about. I'm in a Ford Fusion 2010. Cruising at a solid 20 to 30 miles an hour. It fluctuates depending on hills and valleys. If you stop and look at it though, it's kind of beautiful. I should probably put both hands on the wheel. Godspeed.